Hello Janta, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about dictionaries, more about dictionaries actually in Swift. Okay, so if you want to see how to declare dictionaries, so you can watch my previous video. In that I talked about how you can how you can declare dictionaries. Or in this video you can see the example here, the four ways I explained there just to create dictionaries. Okay, so in this video we'll cover more about add elements and all. Okay, and remove elements. Okay, so let's quickly look into an example. Okay, so first we are going to talk about how we can initialize this dictionary. Okay, so I'm creating one more dictionary for other dictionary and string I am taking. Okay, so I am taking integer as a key and string as a value. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to I'm going to create or add values. Okay, so that I can show you how to initialize this dictionary variable. Okay, so my key is 1 and value is xyz. Okay, key is 2, value is y z x. Okay, so this way you can declare or initialize the dictionary. So this is our key, which is integer, and this is our value, which is string, and multiple values are separated with comma. Okay, so if you print this other dictionary, so what it will look like, let's see. This 1 as a key and its value, 2 as a key and its value. Okay, so let's quickly look into another example, how to print count actually. So what we can do here is dot count. So this will print the number of elements which is available in dictionary. Okay, another thing I can quickly show you. Okay, so that I can show you is how you can get the value from dictionary. We suppose I want value at key 1. Okay, so what I did is I did this. Okay, so this way I get the value xyz. Okay, and if you want to change the value, so what I am going to do is I am going to change the value here. Okay, now I am going to print the dictionary again. So now if you can see this 1 key value is Anshul, 2 key value is yxz. So what I did is I reassigned it. If I want to just remove it, okay, so that I can do is like this. Suppose I want to remove the value, so what I am going to do is nil. Okay, so I removed it. Okay, if I am again going to print it, then what it will look like, it will like there is only one element in this. There are other methods as well available in this. Okay, suppose other dictionary dot. Okay, there is a method remove. Okay, remove all, remove value, we can remove it with key, remove at with position which we want to remove. So this way like we can access. If you want to loop it through, then also we can do that thing. Okay, so suppose you want to loop through dictionary. Okay, for I in other dictionary. Okay, what this I will print. Let's see that. Okay, this will print the key and value. Okay, so if you want to access, wait a minute, other dictionary, I mean this way we can access. Oh, it gives me an error, wait a minute. So what we did is I here, so this what it gave me is key to value xyz. So if I access I dot key or value, okay, so now it will give me a yzx. Suppose about that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this thing again, 3. Okay, and I am adding one more thing. Okay, and adding one more value. Okay, which what is going to do is it is going to replace the 2 with the qwerty. Okay, what this will do is it will going to replace the 2 key element. I mean this is the key. Okay, this is the value. So what we are doing is we are replacing this value yzx with qwerty. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to print. Oh shit, so okay, yeah, so it prints all the elements which is available in our dictionary. So this way you can loop through the dictionary. There is a map method also there over this, so you can do other things as well. Okay, so when you press this dot, then it will show you some options. Okay, so you can try other options as well. And if you do this remove all, this will remove the whole whatever we saved in dictionary na? So this will remove it. Let's print that also. So see this empty, you can see it here also, this empty. Okay, so this way like you can do operations on dictionary. That is all in this video. I hope you like the content. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to see the declaration part of dictionary, then please watch my previous video. Okay, thank you.